How to shorten Google Forms link. So here is a quick and easy guide to shorten a Google Forms link. First of all you have to do is open your Google web browser. Then in search address bar, let's simply open the Google form. Type down the Google form and navigate to its official website. Now make sure that you have signed in using your Google account. Then once you're signed in, you can see plus icon available there. You can simply create a new one or simply tap on the existing one. I already have various options available there, so I am tapping on the existing project. Now all you have to do is, you can see my project has already been published. Tap on the published button available at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on the published, you will get to see copy responder link option available there. Now there you can see shorten URL box option available. Now check the box and that is it. Now you can copy this and send it to anyone, or you can paste and share the short link anywhere. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.